guys, welcome to Luke Joel Farms, your telephone farmer. We are in northern Uganda, Umovi district, about 30 minutes drive away from Gulu City. We are doing boa crosses and savannah crosses and a little bit of locals, but it's just for trial. And in this channel, we will be showing you how you can do this goat farming. Even if you're not in the country, you could be anywhere in this world. You can be in America, you can be in Europe, like I am in right now. But still you can do goat farming. It's very easy, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We will show you how to manage everything, and the basic and the technical. We will also be showing you structures and how you can go about this business. It's a very lucrative business and anyone can do it. You can be anywhere in this world and you can still do it. So subscribe to this channel and let's do the business. Thank you very much. Turn on your notification bell so that when we load any videos and when we show anything, any challenge at our farm, you'll be able to see everything. See you.